Batch Rendering 3D Views. This feature allows you to place saved 3D views in a queue for rendering final high-quality images. Instead of rendering each view individually, users can select several views and initiate the final rendering process. Rendered image files are saved in specified folder. To save a 3D view, set the view in the 3D window, then go to 3D menu, Save 3D Views, Save 3D View, enter the name of the view and click OK. After saving the 3D views, go to File menu, Export Batch Render. Select Views to render, export format, export quality, size, and the folder where you would like to save the rendered images and click on the Start button. The program will then automatically start rendering those views and save them in the folder you have chosen. Thanks for watching.